Hi, in this tutorial I will show you how to change font in Inkscape. It may be really useful when you are creating new projects with text. So for example, if we have here a simple text, something like template, and if you would like to change this font, you need to click on the left panel on text tool, and then you have two options. First option is change font by clicking here, and here we have a lot of really different fonts, so you can choose one of them. So for example, I will choose here Arial, and this font will be successfully changed. Of course, you can change to style to normal, maybe italic, condensed, bold or heavy if you want. So for example, I will choose here heavy, but the second most recommended method is go to text and then go to text and font. By the way, you can use shortcut Shift-Ctrl-T to open this option, so I click on this. And here you have a lot of really helpful settings of fonts. So for example, you can choose one of them here. You can use slider to check for more fonts. So I'll choose here something like Papyrus. So I click on this and then I click apply. Okay, so that's were the two methods to change font in Inkscape. If this tutorial helped you, remember to like this video and subscribe my channel because it really supports my work. And thanks you for watching.